meaning that we need already now to be in the beginning of the way in a certain split. On one hand, to be proud of what we're doing, the greatness of the goal, the greatness of the study, the greatness of this process which we're in, on one hand. On the other hand, lowness and nullification towards the environment. These are clear manners. This is the goal. Therefore, we gather. We assemble. Meaning all our preparation needs to be for that. Meaning I come to a convention, I nullify myself before everyone. We are all proud of what we're doing, that we're special. Yes, be proud. But be proud of being great and that the Creator gave us the ability to connect and to change ourselves, and we are proud and that we were given the opportunity to care for the whole world. We're proud of this, and we're not condescending of this, and not rather the pride is being expressed by this big role that was given to us, and we're coming also in order to learn how to serve everyone. Meaning these are the two poles that are connected together. And from nullification in a group, I come to connection with the group. I discover the general desire we have to connect. We invite, by doing so, the reforming light, which comes and connects between us. And from the reforming light, it becomes the inner light, the Opnimi, which is revealed in the Naran Chai, and the Creator's form is revealed. This is the purpose of the assembly, so that with all these actions and their implementation, we come to bringing contentment to the Creator. The end of the action is in the initial thought. Purposeful actions. It's not that in everyone there's a small force and for there to be a big force to connect. Because in each and every one there's not even that small force. That spark does not draw us towards bestowal. Rather, as we come to the group, then we operate a force that's above us. The force that's above us in order to bestow. And then we come to the general force of bestowal. If I had 10 grams and he had 10 grams and he had 10 grams and then 10 times 10 we had 100 grams and that would be enough for us to receive, that would be okay. But we don't have those 10 grams of bestowal. We don't have the desire to bestow it all. Zero. And hence, when we gather, we start truly from zero. This is the atmosphere that we need to have in the convention, and we need to prepare it. It's not that some machine is going to do it. Rather, the people that are in the same area need to establish, stabilize, create this state. They need to warm up the air. They need to feel that there's electricity here in the air, and it depends on them, meaning the greatness and the importance of the work, a purposeful gathering, great importance, that we are special, that we're dealing with something special, that really we're coming to some contact, even the smallest, with the upper force, which organizes us and helps us with all the disturbances that he arranges for us also in order to gather us even more. And this way, altogether, advances us towards the goal. The common prayer includes in it all the preparations, because altogether, after all the scrutinies in the heart, in the mind, in the friends, in groups, and alone, in all states, one comes to the final scrutiny. So altogether, am I dependent on the upper spirit? Yes. Do I have to ask for him for help? Yes. What help do I need to ask for him? In what form? That we are all together becoming the prayer of many? Yes. And so anyways, the topic of the prayer, the request for the reception of the force, for connection, for sharing, for mutual bestowal, includes everything inside of it. So it will be okay. I'm certain. So we're inviting all our friends